Hey, you out there. I am back again with more beads to unbox and haul or whatever. So again, stuff like that. Okay, so up first, I was thinking, let's tighten this up a little bit. Man, there's a lot of shadow. I was thinking we do this seller on eBay that has a lot of howlite, magnesite. They have turquoise and like spiny oyster, stuff like that. But I'm just going in for like the howlite and magnesite stuff. So these are really fun. They're just necklaces. I got them for like $3 each of graduated sticks. They're fun colors. They kind of just look great together, don't they? They're like a wild 80s party. Look at that. Woo! Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I'll put the seller name right here. And I will also put information below in the description. Also remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with others if you like the beady content. I hope to get around to doing more tutorials, but man, those things wipe me out. I get wiped out just sitting in a recliner because of my health, not because I'm lazy. All right, look at this crazy magnesite. It looks like a Neolithic beads. I couldn't help myself. It's like I love it. It's so earthy and it's heavy. It's like 2 pounds. I don't know. These chips, Heishi rondelles, are just nuts. I love them. I'd like to show them with another bead I got, but I don't want to skip ahead. All right, and so then I got a graduated stick in green. So if we do it across the screen, that way we get more real estate for the beads to show up on the screen. So yeah, these are really beautiful. If I could get them to lay right, but I'm just not gonna spend tons of time doing that. Come on now, play right, come on. So there, stuff like that. Beautiful necklaces. These necklaces also come with earrings and such. And I'm just gonna listen to this bead ASMR. What do you think about this bead ASMR? All right. So we'll move on to the multicolored spike strip thingy. Spike strip, like we're outlaws and we need spike strips to stop us because we're crazy outlaw beaters. I think these are really beautiful. You get more color. Look at all those colors in there. Isn't that fun? I'm hoping more yellow and purple magnesite comes out of the world soon. Wow, there is a plane taking off here, and it is loud. You can probably hear it. I keep saying that, Dianna rants. Where's my Dianna rants screen? It used to be a nice and quiet neighborhood, and 2020 came along, and now it's crazy here. And so this is like oh my goodness, I can't remember. I think these might actually be, these 3 little chips might actually be turquoise. I think these bigger beads are dyed probably like a sponge or a bamboo coral. Kind of think this, yeah, it looks like sponge coral, like a dyed sponge coral. And this in beautiful green Heishi beads. So this was like $3 a necklace. And these, I think I bought more than I was aware of, but I love them. I'm glad I did. These were like maize or corn or something color drops. They're beautiful. All right, and then I got one slab pendant. These come, you know, you get whatever they give you. I requested for a larger size if possible. But yeah, it's really fun, you know. Can't afford a lot of turquoise. Well, look at this. It, you know, gives you the idea of turquoise. And you don't have to spend a ton of money. And these, I believe, are actually reconstituted, stabilized, blah, 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 something or another. Turquoise carved block, or carved turquoise block is where they take all like bits and just bits of turquoise and they put them under all this pressure and this resin gets injected and they stabilize it and they carve it. So it's like a little bit natural and a little bit man-made. So I got a bunch of them. Yay! Whee! All right, and then we got some more pendants. So we got some hearts. I didn't realize, for some reason, these didn't translate as hearts into my brain when I was ordering them. I think my brain was just seeing the triangles, but I'm okay with the hearts. So hearts aren't usually my biggest thing, but this looks like some wood jasper. It has that grain of, it looks like wood grain almost, like sanded and urethaned wood. And this looks like some kind of like moss agate or flower moss jasper agate something. I know. And this looks also like wood jasper, but way lower quality than this one. As you can see the difference. Okay, so these things, you buy them as like a set. So, okay, this one's not falling apart. These are pretty dusty, I'll be honest. I need to clean these. My husband actually got me a bucket for washing beads in because I got a lot of getting beads from around the world. You get some dirty beads sometimes. Look at that. Look at that set. Isn't that beautiful? That's, so what do we got here? About 12 millimeter down to, oops, about 5 or 4 millimeter, 4.5 millimeter. So look at these, isn't that cool? These are dyed halite. They are a cobalt, kind of with almost a purple edge to them. They're very beautiful, just delicious. They look absolutely extraordinary with carnelian. Oh wow. Also got some sari silken. Look at that. Oh wow, people. Well, people, if we can get our health together, we can have some fun with some crafty stuff in the future, doing some beady jewelry fun goodness. Okay, I have another bag of colors that are falling off the strand, and so this one has 4 links, but these also need to be washed. But these things were, I think these were like $8 a set, so it was $8 for, that's about right, $2 a strand or something. That makes about sense. Makes sense in my head. Okay, and this is the one that's falling. They have it taped shut. It's black. So these are the ones that are in there. Isn't that cool? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 5 strands in this one. But the bag is coming apart. Well, maybe I'll just leave this video as its own standalone unboxing because it's under 12 minutes. All right. Sorry for the last video I just did that didn't have any sound in it. Long story. I recorded that months ago and I've been trying to get to it, and I just physically, it's actually creating stuff is really hard, and I don't know why. Like physically it's hard with the pain and all that stuff I'm dealing with. So I didn't get to do my little love thing at the end. I didn't get to say goodbye. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please join my Facebook group, Dianna Adorned Beads. I'll put the name up here. I'll put the thing in the description. Also, remember to support my channel if you enjoy the content by liking or subscribing or commenting. I know you've all heard it before, but I don't know. Anyways, I just really appreciate your support right now. Anyways, I'll let you go. Class dismissed. You guys are awesome. Hope to get more stuff out. Okay. Getting on to the next video here. See you later. Bye-bye.